Hey everybody! So this week for Saturday Scribbles, we are doing Zentangles that look kind of like plants. Some of them definitely look like leaves, like this first one, which is called Jag. And you just draw a really simple leaf, almost like a teardrop. So chunky teardrops. And then you basically draw a leaf inside of the leaf. This one's a spikier version, and remember to put the little vein in there, just like a leaf would have. And because it looks like a leaf to me, I had to draw more than one. But I kept it simple and just drew 2 leaves. But they're really easy to draw, super fast, super fun, very relaxing. And somehow it just makes me think of fall. It gets me very excited about fall and our fall reading program, which you should totally sign up for. Speaking of fall leaves, this particular Zentangle looks like, well, it looks like a leaf, obviously, but because of the orangey color that I chose to draw with, it screams fall to me, and that pleased me. I'm so ready for fall. I don't know about you all. So this was another easy one. I could see where it might get tiring to do all of the little jagged edges if you did a larger picture, but if you only drew a few of these, I think that it's really straightforward and wouldn't be too hard on your wrist. Okay, I admit, this one does not look like a plant, unlike what the title says. This one definitely looks like a shell, but in my defense, it was too fun not to draw, and I just had to draw it right away, so it has ended up in this video. I mean, but you know, new plants are discovered every day, so this could totally be plant-like. We just haven't discovered the plant that it looks like. It looks like a kind of a sea tube sponge. So it's a plant. That's what I'm going with. This one's very flower-like. It's like a shuriken flower. I feel like there was another Zentangle that I described as a shuriken flower. Maybe it was a firework, but that's what this one looks like. And it's very basic. You just draw like the little flower center and then the petals, and then you do an aura around the flower, and then you can put different designs inside of the petals. You can color them in completely. You can do stuff with the aura. You don't have to. A lot of different options. I don't think this one looks very good on its own, but I think that it would be really pretty if you had at least 3 of them together, especially if they overlapped. This tangle pattern just has a really fun name of 2 diamonds and a rice. And the creator of the pattern said you don't have to use diamonds. You could do 2 pearls in a rice or 2 squares in a rice, however you want to do it. And they describe these little squiggles coming out between the diamonds as skinny 8s, but I think they look like flower petals. So it kind of reminds me of a daisy chain inspired art. And then you just do the aura outside, and the original creator said that you could fill the inside with all kinds of different patterns, or you could leave it blank and just make the actual tangle, or the more intricate part of the tangle, the diamonds and the rice, more interesting looking, and then leave everything else a white space, or however you do it. But here is the final product. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you.